Arco Residences, the neighborhood of nature and beauty that paves its way to the arcs of success.
We will be featuring the beautiful mid-century tropical design homes for every Filipino family.
That's right, it is very exciting because this is the biggest and the grandest residential unit here at Arco Residences, the Platinum Unit. Let's take some time to appreciate the exterior, this modern exterior designed by Arco.
Yes, as you can see, napakaganda talaga ng meron tayong design dito, no? Again, that mid-century tropical element design really shows us yung bahay na ganyan talaga yung gusto natin. Of course, nakikita natin yung iconic trellis design na talaga alam natin na uniquely Arco din talaga. Of course, also cascading through the design of our gates. And you can really see, no, just from the outside pa lang, alam mo na talaga napaka-spacious and napakaganda ng interiors ng ating unit. Because as you know, all the natural light comes in. So ang ganda na ng gising mo. When you wake up from your bedroom, you have the natural light come in. When you're hanging out in your living room, alam mo talaga na napakaliwanag sa loob. And this is just by looking at it from the outside pa lang.
That's right. And of course, nothing less with Arco, Sandro. This house is perfect for yung mga families na may bigger needs because this house is on a 96 square meter lot, and because Arco, the theme is a haven of nature,
That's
Sandro.
right.
Kaya perfect na you will see this big patch of greenery. It's really matching with the theme. So
napaka-refreshing
yes,
talaga.
Exactly.
All right, another amazing exterior feature that we have with our Platinum unit is our personal garage. Kasi, tingnan natin guys, tingnan nyo, ang lawak ng ating garage. So kung meron kayong malaking kotse, mga family van, huwag kayong mag-alala because kasyang-kasya yan dito. I mean, look at it guys, ang lawak talaga. And what's nice about it also is right beside it is we have a service area which we all know you can convert to whatever it is that you may need. Whether it be a dirty kitchen, kung gusto nyo mag-ihaw at ayaw nyo mga moy, pwede kayong mag-ihaw dito, pwede nyo lagay dito yung labahan ninyo, pwede kayong magsampay, kung ano man ang inyong kakailanganin, you can use this service area for that. And what's nice also is that this service area is actually connected to your kitchen.
Okay, let's walk back to the house's entrance and finally step in.